Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a rear wiper on a Ford Expedition. First, gather your tools, a new 14-inch wiper blade, and a small flathead screwdriver. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the ignition for safety. It's also a good idea to clean the rear window and the wiper arm area. This helps prevent any dirt or debris from scratching the glass during the replacement process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the glass. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Take your new 14-inch wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it won't come loose. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. To finish up, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blade using your washer fluid. Ensure it clears the window smoothly without streaking. Remember to regularly inspect your wiper blades for any signs of wear, like cracks or tears, and replace them as needed, typically every 6 to 12 months. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, please check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.